Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to integrate InfinitePay.io with accounting software. Integrating your payment platform with your accounting system can streamline financial management and improve accuracy. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations or API section. This is where you can find options for connecting InfinitePay.io with other software. Find and select your accounting software from the list of available integrations. If your software is not listed, you may need to use API documentation to set up a custom integration. Now follow the prompts to connect InfinitePay.io with your accounting software. This usually involves entering your accounting software credentials and granting permissions for data access. Configure the integration settings according to your needs. You may need to map fields between InfinitePay.io and your accounting software, such as linking transaction categories and account codes. Now save your settings and test the integration to ensure that your data is syncing very correctly. Verify that transactions and payment data are being accurately transferred to your accounting software. Now monitor the integration periodically to ensure that it continues to function correctly and that financial data remains accurate and up to date. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to integrate InfinitePay.io with accounting software. This integration helps streamline financial processes and ensures accurate accounting transactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.